From the beaches of the ocean to the aisles of the grocery store, plastic is everywhere. But now, scientists are discovering something even more concerning. Tiny fragments of plastic, called microplastics, are showing up inside the human body. These particles, each smaller than 5 millimeters, have been found in more than half of our organ systems. How do they get there? Experts say the main pathways are through the food we eat, the water we drink, and even the air we breathe. Over 2,000 gallons every day. Car tires, synthetic fabrics, and plastic packaging all shed microscopic debris that eventually makes its way into our bodies. So, should we be worried? That's the big question. Researchers are beginning to see connections between microplastics and health problems, but proving cause and effect is tricky. For example, a 2024 study showed that people with higher amounts of microplastics in their artery plaques had a greater risk of stroke. Another study in 2025 revealed that brains of dementia patients contained higher concentrations of microplastics. And in the gut, microplastics appear to trigger inflammation and oxidative stress in lab studies, raising questions about their role in diseases like inflammatory bowel disease. Even in the womb, plastics are showing up. Recent studies have detected microplastics in human placentas, with higher levels in cases of preterm birth. Scientists don't yet know what this means for long-term development, but it signals that these particles are reaching even our most delicate systems. Still, there's a lot we don't know. Some studies are limited by contamination in the lab, and results from animals don't always translate to humans. Researchers stress that while microplastics may not be as toxic as lead or mercury, it's unlikely that constant exposure is harmless. The good news is there are ways to reduce your intake. Avoid microwaving food in plastic containers. Swap synthetic fabrics for natural fibers. Choose reusable metal water bottles over plastic ones, and limit ultra-processed foods. Even small changes, like keeping car windows closed in heavy traffic, can help cut exposure. While scientists continue to study the long-term effects, one thing is clear. Using less plastic isn't just better for the environment. It's also a step toward protecting our own health.